How political is this? There is a general view that the Mayawati versus Mulayam fight must now be very, very closely watched, because what it's going to lead to is an immediate repercussion in Delhi. And if either of these two parties pull out support, the UPA gets into trouble. How political is this? Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, Vijay Bahadur Thapa of the BSP, Kamal Farooqui of the Samajwadi Party, Ajay Bose, is this being done deliberately? You've written a biography of Mayawati. Do you think this is being done deliberately by Mulayam to target Mayawati to prepare for a snap poll?
Well, obviously, Mulayam will try and squeeze as much political advantage out of this. And the timing of the probe report, the way I'm sure they are likely to go to town with it, would be geared. And I wouldn't be surprised if the Samajwadi Party tries and uses it as much as possible. But unfortunately, Arnav, you know, what happens is that what was a very effective weapon against Mayawati when she was in power may not be that effective right now, because now the whole situation in Uttar Pradesh has changed, and somehow the issue of corruption has gone a little bit to the background, and law and order is the one which now seems to be the thing which is concerning people. So I'm not very sure how effective this weapon in Mulayam's hands will be, but certainly Mulayam Singh Yadav will try and use it. He's running out of time. This government, within a year, has got into a lot of controversies, a lot of trouble, and I expect certainly this is the first step towards Mulayam pulling out support.
Is Mayawati going to take responsibility? Vijay Bahadur ji, will Mayawati take responsibility? These are not low-level bureaucrats who have taken money. Two ministers in the Mayawati government.
No.
In fact, Naseemuddin Siddiqui, Mr. Vijay Bahadur, is considered to be Mayawati's right-hand man.
Listen, so far, for the last 5 or 6 years, nothing has been found against Mayawati. And so far others are there. The Mayawati cannot be held responsible for that. So this linking up is
two ministers in the Mayawati government, and Mayawati is not responsible for that. Public money to the tune of 1,400 crore rupees, Mr. Vijay Bahadur. No, Mr. Thap, 1,400 crore rupees of public money. What is the motivation in a report?
Yes.
The person on top of it, the person who has written the report, the Lokayukt, Justice Mehrotra, was appointed by the Mayawati government, your government, in 2006. So you cannot even say he's a Samajwadi Party man.
No, we are not alleging any bias against the Lokayukta, because the same Lokayukta has given a total clean sheet to Mayawati. That is not the issue. Issue is that sometimes this is the bad governance, bad management.
Bad governance by whom?
Been able to check all the people.
No, bad governance by whom? By Mayawati. Let's get Kamal Farooqui. Vijay Bahadur says it's bad governance. You can't blame Mayawati. These have been in 2 lines of defense so far. Your response?
No, with a lot of respect for Mr. Vijay Bahadur Singh. In fact, two things are there. Number one, Lokayukt was not appointed by us. It was appointed during the regime of Mayawati ji. So that vindictive attitude should not be a point over here. Number one. Number two, we know that both the ministers were very, very close, and even Mr. Siddiqui is, even as on today, he is very close, and everybody knows it, that in BSP, whatever the ministers or anybody does, in fact, it is on account of the BSP Supremo itself.
Now, how do you draw that line? How do you draw that line? How do you draw that line? No, let's establish that you're making an accusation. My question to you is, how do you draw that line? Because Mayawati turns around and says that in the last few months of my tenure, of 12 ministers Mayawati has sacked for corruption, 6 were after the Lokayukt indictment. So Mayawati can turn around and say that if I had anything to hide, I would not have sacked them. If I had anything to hide, I would not have sacked them.
No, Arnab, she had no option. She had no option because ministers after ministers were indicted by the inquiries, in fact. So she had no other option because she was going into the election. Unfortunately for her, the people realized, understood the whole game, and they voted her out because the kind of siphoning out of the money was concerned. It was a huge money which was siphoned out. And
no, but what about your timing? What about your time? No, what about your timing? This is not. What about your timing? I put that question. Siddharth Nath Singh, is Mulayam Singh Yadav's timing suspect?
We have nothing to do with it.
No, Mr.
No, we have nothing to do with it. It is the Lok Ayukt.
So what has your government done in the past? Your government doesn't act on Lok Ayukt reports. Your government doesn't act on Lok Ayukt reports. This is not the first time Naseemuddin Siddiqui is under the scanner. In 2012, the Lok Ayukt submitted another report on an exponential increase in his wealth. Did it or did it not? At that point of time, concluded that Mr. Siddiqui, who's right-hand man of Mayawati, was involved in wrongdoing. Tell me tonight, what did your government do on that report?
No, we both these things we are working. We are going to take up the action.
You did nothing.
I'm sorry, Mr. Arnab, I am not aware of the. I am not in total command of what actually has happened. But as far as this is concerned, I'm pretty sure that we are taking legal opinion and action will be taken.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. In fact, the Lok Ayukt report recommended a CBI inquiry against Mr. Siddiqui. You opted for a state vigilance probe. You wanted to control the investigation. Mr. Farooqi, your party wants to use these investigations for political advantage. The state vigilance probe found him guilty. The state vigilance probe found him guilty. Mayawati's right-hand man. Even then, am I right, Siddharth Nath Singh? Even then, no action was taken. No action was taken.
Yeah. Arnab, there has been a history with Samajwadi Party not taking any action against the Mayawati government or the previous government of Mayawati. You have just narrated a fact that is Siddiqui was charged by the Lok Ayukt, nothing happened. They directed that CBI inquiry should be held, that was not done. There is also this Noida farmhouse scam where no action has been done, rather they have put up another inquiry. So now what we are seeing in the Lok Ayukt report, there is enough for the Samajwadi Party government, Akhilesh government, to file an FIR, hand it over to the CBI and to the
FIR against whom?
Directorate and start an inquiry.
FIR against whom?
But we are not seeing that.
FIR against whom?
And the reason they don't want. Sorry?
FIR against whom?
Hello?
FIR against whom?
FIR against the people who are close aides of Mayawati, and definitely with 54 engineers being involved, 37 accountants, 60 firms being involved in creating this big scam, and somebody has to say no, Mayawati is not there. I think it will lead to a logical conclusion that Mayawati was aware of what was happening, the loot which was happening in the name of Dalit statues and parks. So I think the right step is for the Akhilesh government to file an FIR against these people, hand over the case to CBI, allow the ED to investigate, and then bring it to the logical conclusion. But for them, they will not do it because they want to keep this as a live potato.
Yes, Mr. Farooqi.
So that they can go around the town and then say, okay, fine, well, look, she is corrupt, she is done that, but they don't want to take an action. They want to take a political dividend. But ultimately, it is not what they're going to get it.
It's not. Obviously, she has lost because of all these corruption charges. She has lost because she has siphoned out the money.
No, but Mr. Farooqi, there is what Siddharth Nath Singh is proving correctly tonight is that there is no proven track record of your actually biting the bullet in terms of real action. The charge Siddharth Nath Singh is putting, and he can correct me if I'm wrong, is that you use corruption as political blackmail. You use corruption as a political tool to fix your political rivals.
I think that's
to put a sword over them but not act.
That's absolutely no. That's absolutely this is not correct. But we don't want to take any decision in a haste because Siddharth Bhai itself will come tomorrow that we are making the political vendetta. We have taken a view, even we are going to take a view.
No, I'm sorry.
We are taking
why should you be scared of us? Do what is right.
Arnav, if I can come in here,